Hi, I'm Sohan. I'm one of a co-founder at Notinline Technologies Private Limited. So here I am to answer the questions quickly. So the first question is give a brief intro to your business. So, Notinline is an aggregator of medical data for enhancing patient experience. When I'm talking about patient experience, so that is their entire hospital journey, starting from booking for an appointment to doing some lab test and so many things. So, just log in, select your location, choose the hospital, choose the date and the time slot, and your appointment is booked. In nearly 30 seconds, you can get an appointment in a hospital where you want. So the next question is why are you building this business and why now? So the idea hit my mind when I personally suffered in a hospital back in early 2022. I had to take my mom for a doctor consultation in one of the large scale hospital in Bhubaneswar, and I still remember we both had to wait up to 2 hours in the line just to have a 15 minutes of consultation. So out of the frustration I told myself there should be some system, some mechanism where patient won't suffer like me and why I have to wait. I can only bring something to the market. Then I reached to my co-founders Rohit and Vishal and approaches them how we can solve this problem for people. And yes, Not in Line was born. So coming to the point, why are we doing this now? As for the market survey, what we did currently, there are X number of hospitals and clinics available in Odisha and in India, and still people need to book an appointment manually. That is either walk-in or phone. Uh, so we do have Zomato, Swiggy, but not something which will solve our health needs at our fingertip. In addition to appointment system, we have came up with assistant feature, lab home sample collection, and so many things. And even government of India is focusing on digital health. From last year they have launched a new scheme, that is Ayushman Bharat digital mission, which is an initiative under National Health Authority of India. So they are also building something, a concept like UPI, that is UHI. They are building unified health interface. So they are also looking for private entities who can integrate with them and successfully run this process. So we are also like in the last stage of getting successfully integrated with the production. We are already successfully integrated with their sandbox. So this is the best time to invest or work on health tech domain. So, why are you the best team to execute this vision and give a brief profile of each founder? Okay, so we are basically three co-founders, myself Sohan, and my another two co-founders name are Rohit and Vishal. So I am a BTech graduate in 2020, and I'm in this startup ecosystem from this last 2.5 years. So just after passing out of this college, me and Rohit, like we both were classmates, and we built a company called Hire Karma. So that was a HR tech business, and we generated up to a certain good amount completely bootstrapped, uh, and good amount in 1.5 years. And coming to Vishal, he's a complete tech guy. He has worked with more than 70 plus project, and he's the ex CTO of Beyond Exams, a Delhi based edtech startup. So, in a company, in a startup, there are two kind of skills are very, very important. One is technology, one is knowing business. And Vishal brings on the table the understanding of technology, what best can be done. And Rohit and me get into the basic understanding of business, what really makes sense, how can we really help people, how can we make their life easy, how can we really market it. And that's how this makes us a very good, amazing team. And coming to the next question, how big can this become? Okay. This question, I said it earlier, like we plan to make next book my show for hospital appointment. So whenever is talking, anyone talking about appointment booking in hospital, they should in their mind, not in line, should come in the beginning only. Like uh, and booking, and that's what we really wants to become, basically easy to use and for everyone, not only for metropolitan, for everyone, for tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities. Okay. So, and coming to this next question is monetization strategy and how will you make money? Okay. So, till now, like we launch our MVP in early June, July. Until now, we have not monetized yet, but from next month, we are monetizing our first three paid users, paid health service provider, because as they have completed their first 3 months of free subscription and they get some good traction, good numbers. So how we'll monetize is, so we are going to take some percentage from them for per appointment, lab or home sample collection booking done by Not Inline. And for the assistant service, for each hour we're charging something, and out of which some amount we are taking and some amount we are directly sharing with the that guy who has assisted him. So for the assistance, we are looking for any students or any local people who knows the hospitals very well. And also near future, we are bringing a concept of subscription model, where like monthly or yearly some kind of consultation will be free, extra discount on health checkup, discount on lab test, support, instant refund, and also they can add up to 3 to 4 dependents. Okay, the why would the big players not do this? Okay, so the main thing is capability to manage standalone health service provider, as well as in tier 1 hospital also. So it's both of them has very separate needs and requirement, and to manage this different range of medical service provider, the product should be highly flexible, product should be made as per the customer feedback. So that's what I think, like big player won't do this. That's my understanding.